Today I want to show you this small parcel from eBay. It's a very small one. This is the automatic needle threader. I'm not too sure how to use it. Okay, I can open it this way. Okay, that's. Let me have a closer look first. How does this work? Okay, now let me show you how this works. On the top here you can see two holes, and this one is for the needle. And when I push this piece, you can see there's a hole coming out here. And that one, and I have to put the thread on that hole. So let's try it. Put the needle in the hole and press it. Now I have to put the thread. Just make it a short end on the other side. Don't put it in the middle of the thread and let it go. So now you can see the thread is hanging like this way. When I just pull out the needle, then it will thread through automatically. And you can see if I'm happy with the length, I just let it go, press this again, and you can see this end just jump out, and you can see the needle just thread through automatically. Now the threader is hanging through the thread, but for the use normally you will cut the thread anyway. So that's how it works. I think this is very nice too. I'm quite happy to have it. On this side I'm not too sure what's that for. You can see there's a hooker here as well. I guess it's for sewing machine, but I don't have one, so I can't test it. Compared to this one, it's using the similar concept. This one is pushing the thread through instead of pulling the thread. But this one is for the table use, this one is portable. I'm quite happy with that. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye!